Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Preparation. In this video we are going to solve the language 1 part of English of CTET December 2019 question paper. So for the question number 91 to 99 we have to first read this whole paragraph, then we have to answer the questions. Question number 91. Language need of real life situations are fulfilled by. Correct option is option number 3, learning on the streets. Next question, which of the following statements is not true? So the correct option is option number 1, shopkeepers are intolerant of incorrect pronunciation. Next question, study the following statements. Statement A, at school one learns the language of educated people. Statement B, language learnt on the street includes the use of slang. So the correct option is option number 3, both A and B are the right. Next question, which part of speech is the underlined word in the following sentences? The kind of language learnt in each setting differs too. So the each refers to the correct option is option number 2, determiner. Next question, study the following phrase. Which part of speech is the underlined word but delayed until a quiz? So the correct option is option number 3, conjunction. Next question, what does the word motivated mean in the following phrase? Highly motivated students can thus. The correct option is option number 4, interested. Next question, this is an haphazard way. The word haphazard means. The correct option is option number 2, unorganized. Next question, the best place to correctly and quickly learn a foreign language is. The correct option is option number 1, only the classroom. Next question, a textbook. The correct option is first, controls language learning. For the question number 100 to 105 we have to first read this extract and then we have to give the answers. And the next question is, the cities, gardens, cliffs and isles show that the earth is. Correct option is friendly. Next question, in the extract the poet has compared. Correct option is 1, man with the earth. Next question, mood of the speaker in all of these lines is. The correct option is option number 2, joyous. Next question, the figure of speech used in the first stanza of the extract is. The correct option is option number 4, personification. Next question, the figure of speech used in the phrase and was the mills is. The correct option is option number 3, onomatopoeia. Next question, the beautiful dress worn by the earth is made of. Correct option is option 3, water and grass. Next question, a teacher asks her learners to collect words or phrases on various aspects they see and notice in their markets and streets. Later, the learners write the word and phrases according to the category and discuss them in the class. What is this practice known as? The correct option is option number 4, thematic vocabulary learning. Next question, what does CLIL stands for? Correct option is 3, content and language integrated learner. Next question, which of the following statement is correct? Correct option is option number 2, receptive vocabulary are words we recognize when we hear or see, and productive vocabulary are words we speak or write. Next question, a teacher divides her class into groups of 4 and reads out a text of about 6 sentences. Learners listen to and jot down important words and phrases. The teacher reads out the text the second time, then learner discuss in groups the jotted down words and recreate the text nearer to the one read out by the teacher. What is this task known as? The correct option is option 1, composition dictation. Next question, intensive reading refers to. Correct option is option number 1, reading a text for detailed information. Next question, knowing a word means. The correct option is option number 1, how, where and when it is used. Next question, which typology of question does the following questions belongs to? Imagine you are the narrator of the story. Write an entry in your diary about your experiences in about 100 words. Correct option is option number 4, extrapolative question. Next question, poetry teaching is. So the correct option is option 3, for enjoyment and appreciation. Learning outcomes aim at. The correct option is option number 4, ensuring all the competencies are acquired by learners. Next question, a teacher brings a newspaper to her class 8 student and asks them to find some advertisements. She then asks them to list out how advertisements are designed and what an advertisement contains. What is the newspaper here? So, the correct option is option 4, materials for language learning. Next question, National Curriculum Framework 2005 assigns supplementary and complementary roles to English language. This means that option first, English language teaching should support learning of other languages and subjects. Next question, a reader uses her prior knowledge, makes semantic cues and syntactic cues, then moves to other more specific information. What model of reading the reader here adopts? So, the correct option is option number 2, top down model. Next question, drilling is a teaching learning technique or a strategy in. Correct option is option 2, structuralism. Next question, which of the following statements is true of language learning? The correct option is option number 2, first language supports the learning of second language. Multilingualism as a resource in the education aims at. The correct option is the option number 1, making use of languages of learners for teaching learning. Now for the question number 121 to 128, we have to read the paragraph and then we have to give the answers. So the question is, we should not despise the savage tribes because. The correct option is option number 4, we are no less superstitious than they are. Next question, which of the following has a scientific basis for it? The correct option is option number 4, Fridays are as good as other days. Next question, who believe in superstitions? So the correct option is option number 4, all tribes and some civilized nations. Next question, ancient Greeks were superior to other European nations. B, science help us fight superstitions. The correct option is option number 2, A is wrong and B is right. Next question, which part of speech is the underlined word in the following sentence? On the whole, that is true. Correct option is option 2, pronoun. Next question, identify the part of speech of the underlined word in the following sentence. It is often held that as a principle. So the correct option is option number 2, adverb. Next question, fill in the blank. Dash is opposite in meaning to the word superior. The correct option is option 3, inferior. Next question, the statement which best sums up the passage is. The correct option is option number 2, irrational beliefs decline with the advancement of science. Now for the question number 129 to 135, we have to read this paragraph, then we have to choose the correct option. The question is, why does a common man choose to wear a seat belt? Correct option is option 2, he wants to protect himself. Next question, study the following statement. Statement A, though it is very dangerous, some people don't quit smoking. Statement B, whether or not to drink alcohol is not a health decision. So the correct option is option number 1, A is right, but statement B is wrong. Next question, which of the following pieces of advice can be easily ignored by the people? So the correct option is option number 4, don't drive a motorbike. Next question, which part of speech is the underlined word in the following sentence? Yet we are all making a whole range of decisions. So the correct option is option number 2, conjunction. Next question, which part of speech is the underlined word in the following sentence? Understanding this process is crucial. So the correct option is option number 1, determiner. Next question, Smokers run double the risk of contracting heart diseases. The word contracting here means the next option is option 3, catching. Next, an example of limited area of health is, the correct option is option number 4, taking medicines. Next question, a teacher asks her learner to discuss in group of 4, jot down ideas and develop them in an outline, write a paragraph. Learners then added the paragraph into a final draft. Which strategy of writing does the teacher follow here? So the correct option is option 2, process approach. Next question, transactional listening. Option is option 1, lays emphasis on conveying information. Next question, CALP stands for. So the correct option is option number 2, cognitively advanced language proficiency. Next question, a task in task based language learning means. The correct option is option number 1, an activity where the target language is used by the learner for a communicative purpose. Next question, according to National Curriculum Framework 2005, which one of the following is not an objective of the language teaching learning? So the correct option is option number 4, to know the history of languages. Next question, which one of the following is not true of language learning? So the correct option is option number 2, grammatical rules are important for learning a language. Next question, which is an effective way of teaching learning grammar? So the correct option is option number 2, presenting grammar form in a natural discourse, then explaining how the form is made and used. Next question, what status is given to English language in the Indian Constitution? So the correct option is option number 2, associate official language. Next question, a language teacher asks learner to write a paragraph on scarcity of water. Learners gather information from science and social science books and other sources before writing. Such tasks aim at, correct option is option number 3, achieving language learning across the curriculum. Next question, which one of the following is not an assessment tool for language learning? The correct option is option number 4, Realia. Next question, teaching a novel is to promote. The correct option is option 1, reading for pleasure. Storytelling as a strategy in language teaching is aimed at. The correct option is option number 3, engaging learners with language. Next question, input hypothesis refers to. Correct option is option number 1, the relationship between what the learner is exposed to of a language and language acquisition. Next question, which one of the following makes the communication a cyclic process? The correct option is option number 3, feedback. Next and last question, top down process of reading. The correct option is option number 1, proceeds from whole to part. So thank you friends, thank you for watching our video. For the more practice question you can visit our website, the link is given in the description box. Please like, comment and share our video.